Egor Local Government Council don't welcome the new BATCH C Corpers where them deploy to Egor Local Government. Egor Local Government Chairman Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia can't tell the corpers say them dey good place where better things they happen. She constitute mat on top safety matter and say their security dey their hand, sake of say they need to dey careful on how them they waka about, especially for night.
You're welcome to Egor Local Government. You're welcome to Edo State, and this is Egor Local Government. I normally call Egor Local Government the heartbeat of Edo State, because God dwells in Egor before it goes to other local governments. So anything that happens. Good things that happen first in Egor. So maybe that's the reason why God brought you here to Egor Local Government. He said something that I'm going to guarantee you your safety. Your safety begins with you. Do you understand? Yes. So it begins with me and it begins with you. Our safety, when we say we put everything in God's hands. He said, help those who help themselves. Don't say because you are putting it in God's hands or one local government chairman has guaranteed you your safety and you start doing some funny things. It will not be. So that's why I said your safety begins with you. So you have to be very careful. You are in Edo State, you are in a local government. You have to be very careful the way you move around, mostly in the nights. Do you understand? I know we need to have fun. Most of you are not from here. You're coming from afar. You want to exploit Edo State. You know, there's a lot of fun here in Edo State. But don't have too many fun. Concentrate on what you are here for. Do you understand? Yes. Because I want all of you, as you came to Egor, as you came to Edo State, I want you to go back home safely and well. Because I'm a mother of 3, so I know what it is to send your child away to another state for NYSC.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We need to take blame. From Egor Local Government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojeisoli, TMC TV News.